And what we have today is a beautiful wireless charger for the iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch. Are you getting it, folks? These are not three separate devices. This is one device. I am obviously not Steve Jobs, but I do have some insanely cool accessories to show off that'll totally transform the way you use your new iPhone, AirPods, and so much more. And this is all made possible thanks to this video sponsor, ESR. They've got an amazing lineup of accessories, especially here for your new iPhone 17, to protect it from this. Apple's marketing team claims Ceramic Shield 2 is all you need, but anyone who actually lives with these phones will tell you sometimes the most random accidental drops can totally shatter your phone. Which is exactly why a good case, especially if you just picked up a new iPhone, is so important. But don't go on those random websites and buy a cheap $5 case. Don't go to Apple and overpay. Get a great case at an even better value that has more features than you'll find from the other guys, Apple included. Like, check this out. It's called the Stash Stand, and it's nearly invisible most of the time, but right when you need it, it pops out, allowing you to place your phone horizontally or vertically and not have to hold your phone. There's also, as you can obviously see here, an insane level of drop protection as well. One of my favorites in the ESR lineup is the Cyber Tough series, because not only does it look great, but it's boasting 23 feet of drop protection. It's got an extensive couple of layers of additional coverage for your very fragile camera plateau, and also protecting the other fragile areas of the phone, but still giving you full functionality of those things. So ports, buttons, camera control, which by the way is a very expensive repair, so nice to see ESR keeping it safe. And again, no accidental drop is gonna get you having a bad day because your phone is gonna be safe, sound, and protected in the Cyber Tough series of cases. Also, I just gotta say it's nice to have this level of protection and durability in a case that is sleek. It's got a nice pop of color to match your cosmic orange iPhone. Just drop a comment down below if you remember the days that protection for your iPhone meant some big, bulky abomination of plastic and rubber. Those days are long gone. ESR and the Cyber Tough series is great, really nice, sleek case, comfortable, and if you decide to throw it accidentally or for fun, your phone's gonna be a-okay. Now, if you're more a fan of the classic clear case look, ESR has got you covered here as well. The classic hybrid series delivers that iconic clear case look, but also adding in some extra functionality. You get the stash stand, you get the special raised edges around the screen and cameras to keep them extra protected if they were to fall. You've got those reinforced air guard corners and 11 feet of drop protection. And when it comes to charging your Apple products, or especially your iPhone, this is where I had a little too much fun in the beginning of the video because I genuinely do love this product. This is the Cryo Boost charger. I think technically it's like the Cryo Boost 3-in-1 magnetic charger. And the reason I have been using this is for a couple of big reasons. Reason number one is that it's actually going to fast charge your iPhone, faster than regular old wireless charging. Thanks to the built-in Cryo Boost technology actually actively cooling that charging experience, you're getting 25 watts of wireless charging speed from the charger to your phone. That's like wired cable charging speeds that you would usually find like with a traditional cable setup, but no cable here. This is totally wireless thanks to that built-in Cryo Boost tech, giving you a really nice space-saving 3-in-1 solution, perfect if you don't want to overcrowd your desk with a bunch of random cables and chargers. And making this even more impressive is the fact that this is actually faster than Apple's own advertised solution. You can take your 17 Pro to 60% in just about 30 minutes thanks to this special patented Cryo Boost tech, where Apple's own advertised solution of the little MagSafe charger with their 30-watt adapter will only take your phone to 50% in the exact same time, so 10% more thanks to Cryo Boost. And then reason number three, this is just so cool I have to show you. The Apple Watch charging portion of this thing actually pops out and is like a portable charger. So if you wanted to take this thing with you, have it in your bag when you travel, just in case you're in a pinch and need to charge your Apple Watch, you've got the functionality built in. I mean, seriously, how cool is that? It's those little things that I absolutely love that ESR does so well. And then finally, if you are looking for a case, again, a little bit more traditional, there is the CloudSoft case as well that gives you that sleek iPhone look and feel. You get full access to all the buttons, camera control, stash stand, but again, really nice built-in protection, 11 feet of drop protection built in. Crazy for a case this thin, this lightweight, this sort of, I don't know, blends right in, wouldn't really sort of think or give it a second thought. But trust me, when you're in a situation when your phone goes from your hands down to the concrete, you wanna have that built-in protection, and this is gonna deliver that. And look, I get it. I know some of you guys are Apple purists. You don't want a case, you like the charger, but you don't want to sort of obstruct the design of your phone or the look or the feel or all that. I get that, but also, I know many of you guys understand that, you know, glass is glass and glass breaks, like a wise man once said, and you still want to protect your phone. In that case, ESR has still got a solution for you. It's the Armorite Pro series of screen protectors, and this thing is going to keep your iPhone protected and safe. First off, I love the install process is so simple. ESR has got this magically covered. You just pop this thing into the case, you apply a little pressure, you pull a tab, and you are basically good to go. No dust bubbles, no weird misalignments. It's perfectly done here with this setup. And then what you now have is an upgraded protective layer for your iPhone that is more anti-reflective, still gonna be beautiful for that OLED display, features 10 times greater drop protection, and also made by Corning, the same company that makes Apple's iPhone cover glass. So super high quality, going to look amazing. Again, it's this kind of stuff that ESR does so well. It is sleek, it is simple, it is versatility, it is adding more functionality to your phone and not gonna break the bank. If you're looking to protect your new iPhone, you wanna make sure you're getting the most out of it and you don't want an accidental drop to spell the end of your phone and a multi-$100 repair bill. ESR has got you covered with so many amazing solutions, and again, their charging solutions are chef's kiss. I love them. So if you guys want to learn more, check out the ESR lineup for your new Apple stuff, especially new iPhones. Link is going to be down below. Big thanks again to them for sponsoring this video. Big thanks to you guys for watching. Check out what they've got below. Thanks guys so much. Appreciate you all. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, and I'll see you all in the next one.